visit to Delhi. Learning objectives. 1. Having fun with the family on vacations. 2. Discussing our national capital. Warm up. Family is important. We love our family members. Paste a photo of your family. Mom, it is summer vacation, so we shall go to Delhi. You are right, dear Anmol. We should go there. Let me talk to your father regarding it. Anmol wants to go to Delhi this summer vacation. What do you say? I know it and had planned accordingly. We will go there tomorrow. The tickets are with me. Anmol, we will leave for Delhi tomorrow. Mom, what about my grandparents? They will also go with us. Now, start packing your bag for the journey. What day is it today, Papa? It's Monday. When shall we reach Delhi? We shall reach Delhi on Thursday. Anmol is going to Delhi with his parents and grandparents. They are going by train. They go to the railway station. They get into the train. All passengers take their seat. The train starts moving. Anmol looks out of the window. He sees cows, trees, fields, and people. It is night. They sleep on their berths. On Thursday, they reach Delhi. The train is at the station now. Anmol is excited to go around and see all places. First of all, they go to a hotel. They take rest the whole day. On Friday, they go to see the Lotus Temple. On Saturday, they go to see the Qutub Minar. On the same day, they go to see the Red Fort and Akshardham Mandir. On Sunday, they go for shopping. After enjoying a nice trip, Anmol returns to Chennai with his parents and grandparents. Find meaning. Regarding, relating to. Accordingly, as per the rules, orders, etc. Journey, traveling trip. Reach, arrived. Planned, prepared. Recess, break. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever been to a different city or country with your family during summer vacations? Share your experience with your teacher and classmates. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Read the given sentences. Can you do any such activity with your parents? Father is driving. Father and girl are buying clothes for needy people. Underline the naming words in the following sentences. 1. I like to play with my mother. 2. My sister likes to dance. 3. He is a doctor. 4. Our uncle is tall. Fill in the blanks with I am, he is, or she is. 1. My name is Arun. I am a good boy. 2. Asha is my sister. She is 4-year-old. 3. My uncle is a police officer. He is a brave man. 4. Mrs. Sharma is my class teacher. She is very pretty. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. To complete the puzzle, name the dotted picture into appropriate box. Each picture must appear once. Logical decision. If you have traveled by plane, write down what you have to do before boarding the plane as soon as you reach the airport. The first thing is 1. Go to the counter of the airlines with which you have booked the ticket and obtain your boarding pass. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Where does Anmol live? Anmol lives in Chennai. 2. Where does Anmol's family go for a holiday? Anmol's family go for a holiday to Delhi. By which means of transport do they go to Delhi? They go to Delhi by train. 4. When do they reach Delhi? They reached Delhi on Thursday. 5th. Which places do they visit on Friday? They visited Lotus Temple on Friday. Find their meaning. A. Passengers. Travelers. B. Birds. Beds in trains or ships. C. Excited. Overwhelmed. Curious. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. Anmol looks out of the window and sees cows, trees, fields and people. 2. They sleep on their berths. 3. They go to see the Lotus Temple on Friday. 4. They see the Red Fort on Saturday. Tick the right options. 1. On which day does Anmol's family board the train? Sunday, Monday, Thursday. Monday. 2. Where do they take rest for the whole day? In a tent, in a hotel, under a tree. In a hotel. 3. Where do they go on Friday? To see Red Fort, to see Lotus Temple, to do shopping. To see Lotus Temple. Conceptual understanding. You might have traveled by train many times. Mention 5 things that you see at a railway station.